Initially, the office kitchen is a haven for fast food indulgence, as colleagues eagerly devour burgers and fries. Weeks later, a shift occurs. Greasy meals are replaced by grilled veggies and lean protein, celebrating health and weight loss. Amid camaraderie, colleagues laugh and chop vegetables, the air filled with the aroma of fresh ingredients and shared recipes. The team gathers around the conference table, faces lit by the screen's glow. Each member a testament to transformation. Triumphant smiles erupt as before and after body scans flash across the screen, celebrating milestones achieved. I never thought I could stick to it, but seeing everyone else's progress kept me going. One team member admits, fueling the room's positive energy, while another chimes in, the meal swaps were a game changer for me. Sunlight streams into the office, casting a serene glow as the yoga instructor initiates a calming breathwork exercise. Colleagues close their eyes, each breath a step towards serenity and a healthier equilibrium. Each face reflects a quiet release, a momentary escape from the daily grind.